Hello guys, this is Divyanshi Singh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to solve the differentiation of inverse trigonometric functions. Today I will solve 4 questions. The first one is sin inverse mx. The second one is log sin inverse x square. The third one is log tan x, and the fourth one is tan inverse x the whole power 4. So let's begin guys. I'm solving the first question guys, that is sine inverse mx. Sine inverse mx. So y is equals to sine inverse mx. Now differentiate with respect to x. So guys, dy upon dx is equals to d upon dx sine inverse mx. So guys, dy upon dx is equals to, as we know guys, the formula of sine inverse x is, I am writing formula here guys, sine inverse x is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. So here I am putting the formula 1 upon under root 1 minus, what is x is x? X is mx. So mx whole square. We have to differentiate mx also because we have to follow chain rule. Dy upon dx mx. So again guys, dy upon dx is equals to 1 upon under root 1 minus m square x square into, as you know guys, the formula of x to the power n is n x to the power n minus 1. So m का differentiation m होता है guys, as we know, and the differentiation of x to the power 1 is 1. So here dy over dx is equals to m over under root 1 minus m square x square. So guys, this is our required answer. So I'm solving the second one guys. The second question is log sine inverse x square. So guys, y is equals to log sine inverse x square. Now differentiate with respect to x. So guys, dy over dx is equals to d over dx log sine inverse x square. Dy over dx is equals to, as we know guys, the formula of log x is 1 upon x. I shown in the previous video the differentiation of log x. So here x is sine inverse x square, 1 upon sine inverse x square. Again we have to differentiate sine inverse x also. Sine inverse x the whole square. Dy over dx is equals to 1 over sine inverse x square into, as we know guys, the differentiation of sine inverse x is 1 over under root 1 minus x square. Here x square is x square also. So we have to write x square to the whole square. Again we have to differentiate x square also because we have to differentiate the chain rule method. Dy over dx is equals to 1 over sine inverse x square into 1 over under root 1 minus x to the power 4 into, so guys, the differentiation of x square is 2x. So guys, dy over dx is 2x upon sine inverse x square into 1 upon under root 1 minus x to the power 4. So guys, this is our required answer. So guys, I am solving the third question. My third question is sine inverse log tan x. So y is equals to sine inverse log tan x. So now differentiate with respect to x. dy over dx is equals to d over dx sine inverse log tan x. So guys, dy over dx is equals to, what is the differentiation of sine inverse x? The differentiation of sine inverse x, we know that 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Here x is log tan x. So log tan x whole square. Again guys, we have to differentiate log tan x because we have to differentiate by the method of chain rule. Log tan x. So guys, dy over dx is equals to 1 over under root 1 minus log tan x whole square into, again guys, we know the formula of differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. Here x is tan x. Again guys, we have to differentiate tan x also. dy over dx is equals to 1 over under root 1 minus log tan x whole square. So 1 over tan x into, so guys, as we know, the differentiation of tan x is sec square x. In the previous video, I have shown the formula of tan x. dy upon dx is equals to 1 over 1 minus log tan x whole square into sec square x over tan x. So guys, this is our required answer, but write it in a quite beautiful manner. So guys, dy over dx sec square x over tan x under root 1 minus log tan x whole square. So this is our required answer. So guys, I am solving the fourth question. My fourth question is tan inverse x to whole square to power 4. Guys, my fourth question is tan inverse x the whole bracket to power 4. So y is equals to tan inverse x की whole power 4. So now differentiate with respect to x. dy over dx is equals to d over dx tan inverse x की whole power 4. So guys, dy over dx. Guys, as we know, the formula of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So here I am writing 1 upon 1 plus x square, the differentiation of tan x. Again, we have to differentiate tan inverse x की whole power 4 dy over dx. Guys, dy over dx is equals to 1 over 1 plus x square. As we know, guys, the formula of x to the power n is nx x to the power n minus 1. So here we have to write n is 4, x is tan inverse x, and 4 minus 1 is 3. So guys, dy over dx is equals to 4 tan inverse x cube upon 1 plus x square. So guys, this is our required answer. Hope you all love this method of solving the inverse trigonometric functions. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.